Welcome to our tutorial on how to unite mesh scans through conversion via point clouds and back to meshes. Today, we have 3 mesh scans that came out of the scanner, and our goal is to unite them into a single cohesive mesh. However, if we do it directly with the merge tool, we still have them as separate components in our mesh. To address this, the best way to merge them is to reconstruct the entire mesh surface from the 3 merged point clouds. Let's get started. First, we need to convert our mesh scans into point clouds. Select all 3 meshes and use the Mesh to Points tool to convert each scan into a point cloud with default settings. Now, let's merge these individual point clouds into one. Select all 3 scans, then go to the Create tab and use the Merge tool to combine the individual point clouds into a single cohesive point cloud. Next, let's sample the scan to reduce the number of points. Use the sampling tool to decrease the number of triangles in the scan, making the triangulation process more efficient. Set the spacing parameters to reduce the point cloud size several times. Depending on your point cloud, this parameter will vary. Now, let's triangulate the scan using the Fusion Triangulation tool. Use the Fusion Triangulation tool with the lowest voxel size to maintain as many details as possible in the final mesh. And there we have it. The new mesh surface is created, combining all 3 scans into one cohesive mesh. In this tutorial, we learned how to unite mesh scans through conversion via point clouds and back to meshes. By converting the mesh scans into point clouds, merging them into one, sampling the scan, and triangulating it, we were able to create a single cohesive mesh. If you have any questions, feel free to explore our help section or reach out to our support team at support@meshinspector.com. Happy scanning!